how to fix your Acorns account frozen and cannot withdraw. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is check all of the pending transactions, ensure that they are no longer pending ACH deposits or investment processing, which temporarily block the withdrawals, right? So after doing that, make sure that you have completed your KYC request. You can check your email for requests regarding your tax info W9 or the identity verification documents. And lastly, if all of these is still not working, then try to call them, right? So try to call on their customer service. You can actually get that number on their website, or you can also get it like online very easily. All you need to do is simply call their customer service, and then from there they will definitely be able to assist you on how you'll be able to fix your Acorn account frozen and cannot withdraw. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.